Hi, welcome to the introduction of Appu, our virtual project assistant. Appu will change the way you look at people and project management, perhaps even your whole company operation. Let's take a look at how it works. Forget paper, pencil, Excel, and other common project management tools. Appu will take care of the tedious part of work for you. It frees you from unnecessary phone calls and emails when coordinating people, the stress of changes, and tiring reporting. Appu just naturally complements your daily routine. In order for Appu to begin planning your work schedules efficiently, they need to know your colleagues, know what to work on, and know when the work should be done by. Let's see Appu in action. For example, in the construction company Great Houses. Great Houses just hired a new employee for the company. Adding a new team member is very easy. Just enter their email address, name, hourly rate, and set the user's team role. Not all team members have the same working hours. Some members work shifts, others are part-time or even external. You can set individual employees' working hours as needed. Appu will only schedule work for the times they are available. Once we have the team defined, we can assign tasks to each member. Let's create the first project. In the case of our construction company, we will show it to you on the example project Villa Prague. We enter the name of the project, and for better organization, we can put it in a category, which enables us to easily filter it amongst other company projects. If we have created other similar projects, we can use a saved template. We set the date when the work should start and the due date by which the project should be completed. Then we select a team to work on this project and choose whether Appu should plan this project. By finishing this step, Appu takes over all the scheduling. Appu's job is to ensure that the project is completed on time. Now that we have successfully created the first project, we need to determine what tasks to add and how these tasks follow each other. Fill in the task's name and set the estimated duration. When the solver starts working, he or she can adjust the estimate according to reality. Choose the solver or select multiple solvers to work on the task at the same time. Fill in the description of the task, and for better organization, we can mark the task with a label. By adding and connecting other tasks, we will create a process. Appu will schedule tasks by the order in which they follow each other in the process. There is no need to call, text, or check on anyone. In the Overview section, we can find all the necessary information about the current status of the project. We see what stage the project is in, the amount of time spent, the due date we have set, and also a realistic estimate of completion. We can filter the tasks in the overview, for example by labels, category, or solver. The list of all projects with estimates of their completion offers an overview of the performance of the entire company. At first glance, it is clear which projects are completed, on track, overdue, or yet to begin. This enables the project manager to react to any anticipated issues or delays in time by making changes, for example, increasing capacity or adjusting the completion date. Let us show you how Appu's work looks on the timeline. On the Gantt chart, we see the schedule of all projects and tasks in real time. In order for Appu to be able to assign tasks to users in their work schedule, it is advisable to link your calendar application. You can easily link Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook with just a few clicks. Appu can also fully cooperate with many other applications. You can find a list of them at integromat.com. By linking the calendar, we ensure that Appu does not schedule tasks when the team will be busy with other company operations, for example business meetings. As soon as any change occurs, Appu will take care of updating the schedule itself within a few seconds. While we were looking at the schedule of the entire company, Appu already prepared a to-do list just for you. Let's take a look at it. Appu prioritized the tasks for you, so you don't have to think about which task to start with. Once you start working on a task, move it to the blue section so that Appu can start measuring the time spent. When you have completed the task, move it to the done section. This enables Appu to take care of reporting which work has been completed and how long it took. If you can't work on the task for any reason, move it to the postpone section and fill in the reason for postponing along with the deferral time. Click on the name of the task, open its detail, and you will find all the necessary information to complete it, such as description, files, or comments. You can also adjust its duration if necessary.